In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HoneyBook with Shopify to streamline forms and payments. This integration will empower you to automate workflows between these platforms, making your business operations smoother and more efficient. Let's dive into the process and get you set up seamlessly. First, you'll want to start by signing into Zapier. For those who might not be familiar, Zapier is a tool that connects your apps and automates workflows without any complicated coding. Simply head over to zapier.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, which is pretty straightforward. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged into Zapier, the next step is to create a new Zap. Think of a Zap as a designated workflow between your applications. It's essentially what enables the automation to occur. On your Zapier dashboard, find and click on the button labeled Create Zap. Now, let's set up our trigger. A trigger, in Zapier terminology, is an event that initiates a workflow. Here, you'll choose Shopify as your trigger app. Consider the specific event you want to use. For example, you might choose New Customer or New Order, depending on the workflow you're aiming for. After selecting the event, connect your Shopify account by following the prompts on the screen. It's crucial to ensure your connection is secure and authorized. With your account connected, proceed by testing the trigger to make sure everything is set up correctly. With your trigger in place, it's time to define your action. This is the response that follows your trigger event. For this integration, you'll select HoneyBook as the action app. Similar to the trigger, you'll choose an event in HoneyBook that corresponds with your needs, perhaps create a new client or create a new project. Once you've made your selection, connect your HoneyBook account promptly. This connection will allow Zapier to send information from Shopify directly to HoneyBook seamlessly. After connecting, it's important to map the fields accurately. This process ensures that the correct information flows into the right spots in HoneyBook. Finally, test the action to confirm that everything works as expected. With both your trigger and action set up and tested, you're almost there. Now all that's left is to turn on your Zap. The simple action activates the automation, meaning your workflow is now live. From here on, every time the specified event occurs in Shopify, it will automatically prompt the action in HoneyBook. And there you have it, a fully functional integration between HoneyBook and Shopify to handle your forms and payments effortlessly. By following these steps, you can save precious time and resources, allowing you to focus more on growing your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in optimizing your workflow. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.